Yes, we're buying all these themes, plugins, and so on because it's Black Friday, there's huge discounts. But you know where the challenge is? It's how to use these themes and plugins effectively. And this is why I created Divi University. Now, Divi University is your one-stop station to everything related to web design and Divi. So this includes courses, child themes, and templates. All these are done for you, and you can just install these and get up and running super fast. So here's the deal. This lifetime membership is going to cost $599, but because it's Black Friday and I would like majority of you who are purchasing Divi to then come in and join the lifetime membership for only $179. So this is 70% off of this Black Friday. So after this Black Friday, this price is going to go back to $599. So you may be wondering, okay, so what do I really get with this lifetime membership at $179? Well, you get access to the current child themes, templates, courses, and most importantly, any future courses that I create, you are going to have access to that as well. So this includes Divi 5, Divi 6, and so on. So once you purchase this for $179, this is your lifetime license, and this is going to give you access to pretty much everything that I create on Divi University. Now, it doesn't just end there. I also have another website called Funnels to Income. I'm sure some of you know. Now, Funnels to Income is purely teaching how to make money online using WordPress. So if you want access to that as well, I'm sliding this into this lifetime membership on Divi University, but it's your choice. If you want that too, you just let me know and I'll give you access to funnelstoincome.com. So I'll be creating courses on both platforms, and I think this is a great deal because once you've purchased your plugins and your child themes or even your theme, the next step is to learn how to use it effectively. So these two platforms are there for you to access all this information. I will also be doing some live workshops where you can learn through live workshops. You can ask me questions and so on. But most importantly is when I update all these old courses or new technologies coming out there, you are going to pretty much have the cutting edge knowledge on how to use all these plugins and also Divi itself. If you haven't purchased Divi yet, if you purchased the Divi lifetime license from elegantthemes.com using my affiliate link, just let me know and I'll give you access to the Divi University, because I really want you to make use of the purchase that you're making this Black Friday. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.